At Trebor Manufacturing, we take pride in the quality of fabrication that goes into all of our aluminum headache racks. Like this enclosed headache. Made from sturdy aluminum, this rack will allow you to carry more weight while reducing fuel costs thanks to its lightweight aluminum construction. We can customize your enclosed headache rack the way you want. You can design your headache rack to suit your needs. You can add shelves to put your truck's maintenance products on, such as oil and antifreeze, along with all your gear. You can also have empty spaces with chain racks. You can choose the size of your rack and decide if you want a checker plate finish or a smooth aluminum finish. Just ask, we'll make it happen. Not only do we provide our customers with a quality rack, we also pay attention to the smaller things like handles, hinges, and rubber weather stripping. When it comes to handles, there are 3 options available. The T-handle, which is the most popular and cost-effective option. The whale tail compression handle, which will make your enclosed headache rack easy to open. The anti-rack handle, which provides you with the best handle quality and will resist extreme weather. Our hinges are built to last and will endure even in the harshest weather conditions. Just like all of our products, our headache racks provide you with maximum protection against all weather conditions. First and foremost, because they're made of aluminum, but also because we equip them with highest quality rubber weather stripping positioned in strategic locations, which will keep your gear protected no matter how hard it's raining outside. Whether you're looking for a standard, enclosed, logging, closet, or a customized headache rack, Trebor Manufacturing can meet all of your needs. Call us now for a free quote or visit our website at trebormanufacturing.com.